everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to modify your dock and menu bar settings on your MacBook computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by just clicking on an empty spot on your desktop, and then you want to go ahead and select the Apple logo up in the top left corner of your Finder taskbar. So go ahead and left click on that, and then select System Preferences. Select the Dock and Menu Bar button. So here you go, guys. You can adjust a lot of settings in here between the dock and the menu bar. So you can see the dock, you can adjust how large you want it to be between small and large. So if we were to scroll it over to the right or left, you can see that the bar on the bottom adjusts accordingly. As well as magnification, if you want to have it zoomed in more, you can set it to max, which is default, or you could move it over further to the left, which would minimize it too, so you wouldn't see it as much with magnification. Again, it's not even check marked here, but if we were to check mark it, you would notice a difference. I'm going to go ahead and just move this back to approximately where it was. And it says minimize windows when using a genie effect. So when you minimize or maximize a window, you can adjust what the appearance or eye candy features are. Double click a window, a title bar to zoom. So when you double click on it, it will zoom in. You can animate the opening application. So when you open it up, you see it bouncing up and down. That's what that one means. You can automatically hide and show the dock. So if you want to check mark that, if you have things full screen or you want to just drag your mouse under it, that just hides it by default. If you wanted to check mark or uncheck that option. And again, you have other options here too, such as showing recent applications in the dock, as well as showing indicators for open applications. So you see a little dot underneath a program that's currently open. As you can see, in our case, System Preferences is open here, so you see a little indication that it is open. And if we were to scroll down a little bit, you see there is no more on this specific page, but you can automatically hide or show the menu bar up at the top. So if you were to check mark that, you can see it's no longer visible. Now it's visible again. So again, very straightforward. There are additional options over here on the left side, but that really doesn't have much to do with the dock and the menu bar. It's more of the control center options. So again, very straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.